Welcome to WealthAid, where we empower you with financial knowledge. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of financial literacy to ensure you're equipped with the tools for a secure financial future. If you find value in our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of making informed financial decisions. It's not just about managing your money, it's about understanding how money works and how it can work for you. Let's start with budgeting, the foundation of financial stability. Creating a budget helps you allocate your income wisely, ensuring that your spending aligns with your financial goals. Step 1. List your sources of income. Step 2. Track your expenses. And Step 3. Allocate your income to essential categories like bills, savings, and discretionary spending. Saving money is more than just setting aside a portion of your income. It's about building a financial cushion for unexpected expenses and securing your future. Explore different savings accounts that suit your needs, whether it's a regular savings account, a high-yield savings account, or a retirement savings plan. Investing allows your money to grow over time. It's a key component of building wealth and achieving financial goals. Let's break down some investing basics. Understand the relationship between risk and return. Higher potential returns often come with higher risks. Diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. And there you have it, a brief overview of financial literacy essentials. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your financial skills, remember that financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on finance, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos on financial advice, market trends, and entrepreneurial wisdom. Thank you for joining us at WealthAid. Until next time, stay financially savvy.